Okay, to get started on my blackberry cobbler, I've got a saucepan. I've got 2 cups of fresh blackberries that I've washed and drained. I'm gonna add a cup of sugar. This is 1/3 of a cup measuring cup, so I'm gonna add 3 of these. And then I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of water. Now I'm going to put this on the burner and let it start cooking together while I get my cobbler ingredients together. Okay, to this pan I'm going to add a stick of butter and I'm going to place this in the oven and let it melt. Now I've got a cup of flour in this, self-rising flour. I'm gonna add a cup of sugar. It's a cuppa. 2. 3. That makes a cup. Now I got a cup of milk. I'm gonna kind of stir these together a little bit. Cup of milk. Whisk together till you get all the lumps out. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of vanilla. I love that vanilla flavor. Blackberries cooking together and they're making a syrup. I'm going to add a splash of vanilla. Okay, now these are ready. After the butter's melted, I'm going to pour some in my batter and then leave some in the pan. And I'm using real butter, not margarine. Now pour your batter into the pan with the butter in it. Just want to kind of stir the butter around a little bit. Okay. Now you want to take your blackberries with the syrup. Just kind of spoon it over top. These blackberries come from Beeler Farms, a local farm here. And they're so good. You just want to pour the juice over top. Okay, now it's ready to go in a 350-degree oven and bake. It'll probably take about 45 minutes at 350. I'll keep an eye on it. Okay, while that cobbler's cooking, I'm gonna make a little glaze. I got about a cup of powdered sugar, and I'm gonna slowly add some half and half, or you can use heavy whipping cream, whichever one you have. A little bit of vanilla. We're gonna make a little glaze to put on top of the cobbler, and I'll stick this back in the oven after I put the glaze, and it makes a crunchy topping on top. So good. Kind of like the crunchiness that's on the glaze that's on a Krispy Kreme donut. Okay, now we got the glaze ready. We just have to wait till the cobbler comes out of the oven. Okay, now I'm going to put the icing on top, the frosting, the glaze. And you just kind of spread it out all over the top. I'm gonna take a little taste. Oh my goodness, yeah. That is delicious. Okay, now I'm gonna pop this back in the oven and it'll get crunchy on top. There it is. Look how good. Looks delicious.